Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Büşra. Today I will give you a delicious dessert recipe and it is very easy to cook. It won't take too much time and I believe you will love how it will look. Let's look at the ingredients. I'm using 26 cm cake pan, 100 gram butter to use for cake pan, 1½ cup of flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, half pack baking powder. For inside of the cake, you will need 1 kilogram Kwark, 3 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of sugar, 2 pack of unsweetened vanilla pudding mix, 1 pack of vanilla. Before start cooking, I just want to let you know that if you are still not subscribed my channel, please do not forget to press the subscribe button below and like my video. Let's start to cook. Put the egg in a small bowl. Add butter and sugar on it and mix them. When everything mixed smoothly, add flour and baking powder. At the same time, I keep mixing. You might need to add more flour based on your size of eggs dough. It should look like as in the video, so it should not stick to your hand. I'm using 26 cm cake pan with lock. I put the dough in a cake pan and press. It should stick to the bottom of the pan, then sides of it. It's important to spread it equally. And the base of cake is ready. While I prepare cheesecake filling, I put the pan in the fridge. Now add all the eggs and sugar in a bowl and beat them with the mixer until it is pale. I add oil, milk, Kwark in it. Lastly, I have added pudding and vanilla. I beat them until they have smooth texture. I took out the pan from the fridge and with the help of fork, I press as you see in the video. I pour the filling inside of the pan. I am pushing the dough a little bit down since it is pretty higher than the fillings. Right now, I can put in the oven that I have heated before at 125 degrees. By the way, I have added water at the bottom of the oven. The cake became ready in 1 hour 15 minutes. But it is better to check frequently after 1 hour if top of the cake become browned. When you take it out from the oven, inside of still should be kinda watery. However, don't worry because when it cools down, the inside of it will be more thicker. I have added icing sugar and raspberry on top of it. The look and taste are super. I hope you liked this recipe. See you in the next video. Goodbye!